Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Montbessier School. Today, in class 5 EVS, we will continue with chapter number 3. Now, students, we are discussing about communicable diseases. Now, what are communicable diseases? In my last class, I have told you communicable diseases are diseases which are spread from an infectious person to a healthy person. The diseases which get spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called communicable diseases. Now, communicable diseases are caused by various microorganisms or pathogens. What are microorganisms? Microorganisms are very small organisms which cannot be seen through naked eyes. They can be seen through a microscope. They are the microscopic structure. They cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and they are present everywhere, and microorganisms are responsible for many infectious diseases. Now, they are mainly of four types: bacteria, virus, protozoa, and fungi. Okay, these are the four main types. Now, these diseases are caused by different microorganisms. Diseases are given, and it is also given which type of microorganisms cause which type of diseases. Now, can you name some diseases caused by bacteria? Bacteria causes diseases such as plague, tuberculosis, and anthrax. These are the diseases which are caused by bacteria. Now, protozoans, they cause diseases such as malaria, sleeping sickness, amoebic dysentery. Fungi causes ringworm, candidiasis, and viruses, they causes diseases like influenza, measles, chickenpox, dengue, AIDS, and many more. Now, preventive measures. What are the preventive measures? If you are if you are suffering from a communicable disease which can affect others, you should stay at home till you are properly cured. If you are suffering from any communicable disease, you must stay at home till you are cured, properly cured. As we all are staying home now due to coronavirus, okay, as it is very much infectious, we should remain at home to keep ourselves safe. Therefore, to prevent any type of communicable disease, if anybody is suffering from communicable disease, they should stay at home. Next is cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. While sneezing or coughing, you should cover your mouth with a tissue paper or a hanky. Wash hands more often thoroughly. You should wash your hand thoroughly. If you have some skin infections, avoid touching the rashes and blisters. If there is any rashes or blisters in your skin, you should not touch the skin. You should not touch it. That means avoid touching the rashes and the blisters of your skin. Don't share your water bottle and hand towel with others. You should not share your water bottle or hand towels with others, as sometimes we are sharing many things such as our tiffin, our water from the water bottle, but we should not do it. Vaccine should be taken timely. Vaccine should be taken timely whenever it is needed. As per the schedule time, vaccine should be taken properly. Okay, students, then you will read up to this. We will continue with the chapter in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.